Hi, I'm Derek with DTE Energy, and we're working to build the grid of the future in Ann Arbor. You've likely noticed many DTE trucks around the city recently. Our crews will keep working hard over the next few months to improve your power reliability and prepare our system for the increasingly severe weather that the Ann Arbor area and really all of Michigan has been experiencing. Through 2029, we're investing $250 million to modernize the infrastructure that powers Ann Arbor. This includes installing smart technology, upgrading our poles and electrical equipment, rebuilding significant portions of the grid, and trimming trees. All this work will significantly improve your electric reliability, helping to keep the power on even when Mother Nature does her worst. This work will also add capacity to the grid, supporting growth and even more electric vehicles and appliances, aligning with Ann Arbor's A20 clean energy goals. You can learn more about our work throughout Ann Arbor at empoweringmichigan.com. Thanks for watching.